Maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select Math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 Maths. Then click on view all lessons. And we have started chapter 3, that is operations with integers. So let's start with the topic that is operation with integers. So we're going to start with the topic that is add and subtract integers. We are on chapter 3, that is operations with integers. And the topic we are going to start is add and subtract integers. Got it? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points. Got it? So let's start with add and subtract integers. Add and subtract integers. Okay, so we're going to start with examples. Let's do examples. Okay, the first example is -2 and plus -7. So first of all, you need to see both the numbers you are adding two integers with negative sign. Got it? Both of them have negative sign. That means your answer must be negative. Got it? So answer must be negative. Now you have 2 plus 7. Just add them. 2 plus 7 is 9. So remember that the answer to the problem you are solving will be negative. So it would be then -9. Got it? Okay, the next one is 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 equals, they are simple two integers with positive signs, so you have to add them. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4 minus -4. So subtracting a negative is same as adding a positive. Got it? So you are subtracting a negative number. That means you are adding. So both the negative signs, change them to positive. So it is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Basically, you are subtracting a negative number. So subtracting a negative is same as adding a positive. Got it? You can note down these important points. Subtracting a negative is same as adding a positive. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's just start with the test. Okay, so on the right below the video you are watching, you have a live chat button. You can answer my questions in the chat. Got it? Okay, let's start with the test. Top right corner, you have a test button. Let's start with the test. So your participation is highly appreciated. So please participate. You can answer your in the chat box. -7 and plus -2 plus -7. So you are adding two negative numbers. So your answer must be, you are adding two negative numbers. Your answer must be negative. So you have to now 2 plus 7, because we know that your answer must be negative. So you have to make the problem easier. So 2 plus 7 is 9. That means the answer is -9. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. The correct option is -9. Got it? Okay, the next one is negative 10 plus 8. S- So the answer is the greater number. You are adding two numbers. One of them is negative and one of them is positive. So 10 is the number with greater magnitude, so it has a negative sign. That means the answer must have a negative sign. Got it? And also you have to subtract them. So negative 10 plus 8 is negative 2. Got it? Very good. Very good, Elvin and Ansel. So it is negative 2. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 6 plus negative 3. So you are adding two numbers that have different sign. So that means you have to subtract them, and the greater number is 6, so answer must be positive. 6 has a positive sign, so answer must be positive. So 6 minus 3 is 6 minus 3 is 3. Very good. It would be positive 3. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 9 plus 8. So which option is the correct one? 17, 16 or 15? 7 plus 9 plus 8 is? It is 17. Yes, very good. 9 plus 8 is 17. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 4 minus negative 4. So which option is the correct one? 8, 56 or 67? It is 8. Very good. Because subtracting a negative number means is same as adding. So it is actually 4 plus 4. And 4 plus 4 is 8. Very good. Okay, the next one is negative 5 and plus negative 6. You are adding two negative numbers. So your answer must be, your answer must be negative. And the answer is, which is the correct option? Negative 11, 11 or 12. The correct option is, it is negative 11. Because both the numbers have negative sign, so answer must have a negative. Yes, it is negative 11. Very good. Okay. The next one is 10 plus negative 2. So answer is 8, 78 or 79. It is 8. You have to subtract them, and 10 is the number magnitude. It is positive, so it must be positive. So it is 8. Very good. It is positive 8. Okay, the next one is 6 minus 7. So the answer is 13, 1 or negative 13. Subtracting a negative number is same as adding. Got it? So 6 plus 7 is 13. Very good, Ansel. It is 13. Select the correct option on the OK button. Okay, the last one is 5 plus 1. So 5 plus 1 is Elvin. It is positive 13, not negative 13. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Got it? So we have completed the test. Let's move on to the next topic. So the next topic is Add and subtract three or more integers. Just click on the back button so that you can on the next. So if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? So we're going to start with add and subtract three or more integers. Okay, let me write down the topic name. Add and subtract three or more integers. Okay, so let's start with the first one. You have to evaluate 2 plus negative 4 minus 1. So we know that the order of operations are you have to do multiplication and division first, and then you can do addition and subtraction. Got it? So you have to start from left to right because you have addition and subtraction. So 2 plus negative 4 is, you have to subtract, and 4 it has a negative sign, so answer must have a negative sign. So 2 minus 4 is negative 2, and negative 2 negative 1 is, it is negative 3. Got it? Okay, let's start with another example. Negative 9 minus negative 1 minus negative 7. Okay, so what you have to do, we have to start from left to right because you don't have any multiplication and division here. They are just adding and subtracting. So you have to start from left to right. So it would be both the negative add subtracting a negative number means same as adding. So it would be negative 9 plus 1. So negative 9 plus 1 is 9 is the greater one and it has a greater sign. So that means the answer must have a negative sign. And 9 minus 1, they are, the answer is 8. Now again negative 8 minus negative 7. So subtracting a negative number is same as adding. So it would be negative 8 plus 7. So negative 8 plus 7 is, negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. Very good. So the answer is negative 1. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, we have a test button. Let's start with the test. 0 plus 2 and plus negative 9. So which option is the correct one? Negative 7, 6 or 8? So you have to start from left to right. So 0 plus 2 is 2 and 2 plus negative 9. So the answer is, yes, it is negative 7 because 9 has a greater magnitude. It has a negative sign. So answer must have negative. So it would be the negative 7. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is negative 9 plus 3 plus 5. So you have to start from left to right. So negative 9 plus 3 is, negative 6, and negative 6 plus 5 is, negative 6 plus 5 is negative 1. Very good, Elvin. Okay, the next one is negative 9, negative 1 minus negative 7. I think that's the same we just did on tutorial, isn't it? Yes, it is. So negative 9 as subtracting a negative number is same as adding. So it would be negative 9 plus 1 minus minus 7. So negative 9 plus 1 is, answer must have a negative sign. You have to subtract 8 minus minus 7. Again, you are subtracting a negative number. So that means it would be same as adding. So negative 8 plus 7 is negative 1. Yes, that's exactly the same we did on the tutorial. Got it? So the answer is negative 1. Okay, the next one is 3 minus negative 1 minus negative 3. Okay, so which is the correct option? 7, 8 or 9? You have subtracting a negative number is same as adding, so it would be 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Again 4 minus minus 3. So subtracting a negative number is same as adding, so 4 plus 3 is 7. Very good. So the correct option is 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is 4 minus negative 3 and plus negative 2. So which option is the correct one? Subtracting a negative number is same as adding, so it would be 4 plus 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7 and 7 plus negative 2. You are subtracting two numbers with opposite signs, so answer must have a positive sign because 7 is greater with greater magnitude and it has positive signs. And 7 subtract 2 is 5. Got it? Okay, select the correct option and move on to the next question. 2 plus 3 minus negative 3. So which option is the correct one? 6, 8, 7 or 5? Do it on your notebook and let me know the answer. Is it 8, 7 or 5? Very good. It is 8. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Negative 6 plus negative 4 minus negative 3. So which is the correct option? Minus 7, 7 or 8? Negative 6. You are subtracting two negative number. Answer must have a negative sign. And it would be negative 10 minus minus 3. So subtracting a negative number is same as adding. So negative 10 plus 3 is, it is negative 7. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is negative 6 minus negative 8 minus 9. So which is the correct option? Subtracting a negative number is same as adding. So it will be negative 6 plus 8. So negative 6 plus 8 is 2 and 2 minus 9 is negative 7. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 2 plus negative 4 minus 1. So subtracting two numbers with opposite sign is, answer must have a negative sign, and it would be 2, negative 2 and negative 1 is -3. Got it? -9 plus 10 and -3. So -9 plus 10 is -9 plus 10 minus 9 is 1, and 1 minus -3 is, it would be 1 plus 3, and 1 plus 3 is 4. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. So we have done with the test. Just click on the back button so that we can start with the next topic. So you can find all these topics on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Go to grade 8 math, scroll down, and we are on the chapter 3, that is operations with integers. So I'm going to start with the topic, that is add and subtract add and subtract integers word problems. Okay, let's start with add and subtract integers word problems. Okay, just listen to me carefully. Let me read the question. At the Hillsdale Golf Tournament, the leaderboard shows Dana's score as -1 on the front 9 and 6 on the back 9. What was Dana's total score for the rounds? Got it? So it is -1 and 6. You have to calculate the total score. So -1 plus 6 is, it is 5. Got it? Okay, Trevor got to compete in the bonus round of a game show, scoring 400 points on the medicine question and 100 points on the cartoons question. What was his score for the bonus round? So just add the numbers. 400 plus 100 is 500. Got it? Okay, the next one is the leaderboard at the Sedabak golf tournament shows that Tara's score was 0 on Saturday, -2 on Sunday. How many strokes did Tara take on Saturday and on Sunday? How many more strokes did Tara take on Saturday than on Sunday? So you have to subtract them. 0 minus -2 is, negative numbers is same as adding. Subtracting a negative number is same as adding. So it would be 0 plus 2, and 0 plus 2 is 2. Got it? Okay, on the top right corner, you have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, that's same we did on test button. We did on tutorial. Trevor got to compete in a bonus round of a game show, scoring 400 points on medicine question and 100 points on the cartoon questions. What was his score for the bonus round? So what you have to do, you simply have to add them. So 400 plus 100 is, yes, it is 500. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the leaderboard, very good. Okay, the leaderboard at the Pike Golf tournament shows the Jesse's score was -2 on the first round and 3 on his second round. What was Jesse's total score for the two rounds? So you have to add -2 plus 3 is, -2 plus 3 is 1. Very good. So 3 minus 2 is 1. That means the total score is 1. Very good. Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Yes, it is 1. Okay, while hiking, Anna went 100 meters. If Anna started at 800 meters above sea level, which integer represents her elevation now? So she started from 800 and moved to 100 meters. So the answer is 800 plus 100 is, very good. It is 900. Very good, Elvin. Okay, the leaderboard at the Cederberg golf tournament shows that Tara's score was 0 on Saturday and -2 on Sunday. How many more strokes did Tara take on Saturday than on Sunday? That's the same one we did on tutorial, isn't it? Yes, it is. So you have to do 0 subtract -2. So 0 subtract -2 is 0 plus 2 and that equals 2. Very good. So it is 2. Okay, at the Hillsdale Golf Tournament, the leaderboard shows Dana's score as -1 on the front nine and 6 on the back nine. What was Dana's total score for the bonus rounds? 6, 7, or 5? Which is the correct option? 7? No. You have to count the total score. So -6, 1 plus 6 is, um, Crispel. For total score, you have to add them. So -1 plus 6 is, you are adding two integers that have different signs. That means you have to subtract them. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So the correct option is 5. Got it? Select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, after earning 100 points on a game show, Leslie got to compete in the bonus round. By the end of the bonus round, she had a total of 500 points. What was Leslie's score at the bonus round? Correct option is, you have to subtract 500 minus 100 is 400, because you need to find a score at the end of the bonus round. So it would be then 400. Got it? It is 400. You have to subtract them. Okay, Camille started the week with $9,000 in her bank account. Then she spent $6,000 on dining room table. Which integer represents the final balance of the bank account? So she started with 9,000. So she have used 6,000. So what amount she is left with? Yes, it is 3,000. Got it. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, after earning 900 points on a game show, Zachary got to compete in the bonus round. During the bonus round, he lost 300 points on the automobile questions. What was his final score? So 900 minus 300 is, yes, it is 600. Got it. Very good. In the first half of a trivia game, Scarlett scored 600 points. Then during the second half, she scored 200 points. What was her final score? It is 800. Got it. You have to just add them. So 600 plus 200 is 800. Very good. Christine spent $200 on a titanium watch and deposited $9,000 pay cash. Which integer represents a change in how much money Christine had? So she already had 9,000. She used 2,000 of them. So how many amount she's left with? Yes, it is 7,000. Got it. So we have done with the topic. Just click on the back button so that we begin on the next topic. The next topic is integers, multiplication, integer multiplication and division rules. Oh, let me explain first. So let's start with the rules when you are multiplying integer, when you are multiplying and dividing integers. Got it? Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points. Got it? Okay, let's start with. So the first one is negative 72 and negative 8 positive or negative? Please note down the important rules. I'm going to write them on board. When two integers have same sign, the quotient is positive. Either you divide positive numbers, their answer is positive. Either you divide negative numbers, their answer is positive. Got it? When two integers have different signs, the quotient is negative. Got it? Any of the number is negative, the answer is negative. Both the numbers have same sign, answer must have a positive sign. So for this question, is negative 72 divided by negative 8, the answer is positive or negative? It is positive. Got it? Okay, the next one is 22 divided by negative 2 positive or negative? So is it positive or negative? 22 divided by negative 2 is positive or negative? It is negative because both the numbers have different signs. Got it? So when both the numbers have different sign, the answer must be negative. Okay, now let me write down the rules for the multiplication. Then we'll move on to test. Okay, these are the rules for division, integer division. Now let me write it down. Let me write down the rules for integer multiplication. You can note down the important points, please. Okay, when two integers have same sign, their product is positive. Got it? When both of them have same sign, the product is positive. When two integers have different sign, the product is negative. Got it? So in both cases, multiplication or division, when the numbers have same sign, the answer must be positive. When the numbers are different, their answer must be negative. Got it? Okay, let's start with the okay, on the top right corner you have a test button. Let's start with the test. Okay, let me go to the test. Just keep these rules in your mind, apply them and find the answers. Got it? Okay. Negative is negative 24 divided by negative 2, positive or negative? Which is the correct option? Is it positive or negative? It is positive because both the numbers have same sign. So when both the numbers have same sign, their answer must be positive. Very good, Elvin. So it must be positive. Okay, negative 12 times negative 2. Is it positive or negative? It is positive. Again, both the numbers have same sign. So their answer must be positive. Got it? Okay. Is 2 times negative 3 positive or negative? It is negative because you're multiplying two numbers with different signs. Got it? One of them is positive, one of them is negative. So answer must be negative. Very good. Okay. Is 22 divided by negative 2 positive or negative? It is negative because you are subtracting, you are multiplying, dividing two different numbers. Got it? Very good, Elvin. Okay. Negative 72 divided by negative 8. Is it positive or negative? It is positive because you are dividing two numbers with same sign. So it is positive. Got it? Okay, is negative 7 times 5 positive or negative? It is negative because both the numbers have different signs. Got it? So it is negative. Is 1 divided by -1 positive or negative? It is negative because both the numbers have different signs. Got it? Okay. Is 24 divided by 2 positive or negative? It is positive because you are dividing two numbers with the same sign. Got it? So they are. It is positive. Very good. Okay. Is 6 times 12 positive or negative? It is positive because you are multiplying two numbers that have same signs. Got it? Okay, the next one is negative 96 divided by 12 positive or negative? Very good. It is negative because you are dividing two numbers with different signs, so it is negative. So that's all for today. If you find these live sessions helpful, you can like the videos. So you can find the topics on aplusstudents.com. Then you have to go to grade 8 maths, scroll down to grade 8, then click on view all lessons, and you we are working on chapter 3, that is operations with integers. So we have done three of the topics today. They are add and subtract integers, add and subtract three or more integers, add and subtract integers word problems, integer multiplication and division rule. So if you need more help with the topics, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9. So if you find these live session helpful for you, just like the videos. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye.